If you go to mediation and you have a good mediator, and I would recommend a Rule 31 listed mediator, which I'm one, Haley Medley, attorney in my office, is one, and there's a lot here in Sumner County and in the surrounding counties. A Rule 31 listed mediator, that's a Supreme Court rule, requires 46 hours of training to become listed as a Rule 31 mediator, and then continuing education each year to maintain that listing. That mediator is going to be somebody that not only is usually experienced in the law and knows the judges in your county, in your jurisdiction, but they also have specific training on how to fight for the deal. So to move each side towards each other. They're going to go into that mediation. They're going to talk to one side, introduce themselves, go into the other room, introduce themselves, and they're going to go back and start with the plaintiff who filed first. And they will have asked for a mediation statement that lays out that person, the husband or wife's position on what are the facts and what are the issues and what really are you fighting for here, what's important to you. Then they go in the other room and they find out what's important to them. And then the mediator has the privilege of knowing the secrets of each room. Now, they don't have to share the secrets in each room, and they usually get permission to go in the other room and say this or that, but the mediator can choose what they share and what they don't, because they know what's important to each side, and they know where we've got consensus, and then they know where there's a divergence, where you're apart, and so they're trying to move each side toward one another. And if each side is willing to have a bargain for exchange, which is what a compromise is, and work it out, then you have a chance of selling the case. The stats show that parties that come up with an agreement that they worked out themselves, they're more likely to honor that agreement and less likely to be in contempt of it down the road and end up back in court.